Here we come to the elevators at 2 Sugar Creek in Sugar Land, Texas. These are Fujitec. We got the service car. 6. Some of these elevators were installed a year apart. This one's installed in 98 and the other ones were installed in 99. We're gonna get one of the passenger elevators after this. I've been wanting to film a better take on these elevators for so long. The door kind of rattles when it moves. Fixtures. All right, I'm gonna send this up to 5 and we'll get, looks like we just lost one of the passenger elevators. Look in the door, hi. I think they redid the cabs on these since I last came here. Good, how are you, sir?
Going from 3 to 5 and it changed direction on me.
Change direction.
Yeah, just the button went off and it went down.
I think when it's going down, when it's going the down direction, the call tends to cancel when you reach the final floor.
Okay.
I think that's how it is. Well, you have a great day. This place is going in construction. There's a desk out in the lobby. I just saw it from the mirror. I didn't realize that there's a desk down there, so. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. But yeah, it looks like, yeah, they redid the cabs on these since I last recorded this. These are your fixtures. Are you coming down?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.